Let's talk about multiplying two numbers with a certain requirement. The requirement is that the tens digit have to be the same and the units digit have to add the 10. Let's look at an example. Let's say we have 47 times 43. This meets the requirement because the tens digits are both 4 and the units digits add up to 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply the units digits together. 7 times 3 is 21. This will be the last two digits of our final answer. Then we're going to take the 4 and multiply it with 4 plus 1. This will be 4 times 5, which is 20. So our final answer is 2021. It's a really simple trick. Let's look at another example. Let's say we have 54 times 56. Again, we're going to multiply the 4 with the 6. 4 times 6 is 24, so that'll be the last two digits of our final answer. Then we multiply 5 with 1 plus 5. That's 5 times 6, which is 30. So our final answer is 3024. Let's look at a couple more examples. Let's look at 63 times 67. Try this one yourself. Again, we're going to multiply 3 and 7. That's 21. Then we multiply 6 with 6 plus 1. That's 6 times 7, which is 42. So our final answer is 4,221. Let's look at one final example. Let's say we have 91 times 99. Now this one's slightly trickier. Try it yourself. 9 times 1 is 9. However, the answer that we get has to be the last two digits of our final answer. So we're going to put 09. Then we multiply 9 with 9 plus 1. 9 times 10 is 90. So our final answer is 9,009. Now, this trick can be a little bit complicated, so this requires a lot of practice. I'll link the practice worksheet and its answers in the comment section, so make sure to check those out.